Walk at a good pace and push any large objects along the floor in front of the head into a pile. Do not suck up larger objects, such as stones, sticks, foam, or insulation at this stage, as it blocks the hose. The vacuum's objective on site isn't to suck up every bit of rubbish in the room, it's to collect the fine dust that usually goes into the air into the vacuum instead, while moving the debris into a pile to scoop into a bucket using your shovel, providing that you have the dust eagle. The dust eagle is clipped onto the side of your bucket to safely extract any dust that gets puffed up while dumping any debris into the bucket. Don't sweep, V-sweep. Traditional sweeping pushes huge amounts of respirable dust into the breathing zone. Even if you protect yourself with PPE, the air gets contaminated. It is slow and laborious, making the job very unpleasant. The dust settles back down on surfaces, causing frustration for other trades. Wet sweeping is messy and introduces damp. It requires drying time and still leaves fine dust behind. Raking only moves large debris and still disturbs the respirable dust on the floor. The extraction of this remaining debris can still take a long time. Fill the extractor or clog the filter. The V-sweep solution. Massive reduction in dust exposure. It's faster, up to 4 times faster than traditional sweeping. The respirable dust ends up in the vacuum, not in the air. Dust is contained for safe disposal. It limits exposure for other trades on site. No dust settling on finished surfaces. Less exertion, less sweat. The V-sweep methodology. Push the big debris across the floor. The respirable dust that is normally pushed into the air from traditional sweeping is extracted into the vacuum. Large waste disposal, the V-TUF version of the Dust Eagle. The result, a cleaner site, a safer operative, a better environment for everyone. Turn off the vac. Take off the latches. Undo the screw. Use another M-class vac to clean the filter off, or wash it with water. You must let the filter dry completely before reinstalling. Rescrew your washed and clean filter back onto the vacuum. Ensure there's a continuous seal between the filter and the vac. Turn off the vac. Take off the latches. Undo the screw. Unscrew, like so. Remove the filter for replacement. Rescrew the new filter onto the vacuum. Ensure there's a continuous seal between the filter and the vacuum. Turn off the vacuum. Take off the latches. Remove the bag from the inlet. Seal the bag with the cardboard seal. Dispose in accordance with your local council or site disposal rules. Refit the new bag, ensuring the seal on the bag fits and is properly seated in its slot within the inlet. You can check this by doing a gentle tug test and a visual check. Remove the hose from the vacuum. Remove the tools from the hose. Do a visual check down the hose to locate any blockage. We recommend you use 3 of the following steps to unblock the hose. Use a long object or utensil to manually insert down the hose to dislodge the blockage. Flip the hose around so the tool end of the hose is within the inlet. Create a seal around the end of the hose that is in the inlet. Turn on the vacuum and wiggle the hose about to dislodge any debris. Alternatively, block the end of the hose with the palm of your hand, off and on, making a pulsing motion to cause the blockage to move and dislodge.